Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Springfield Lake is a small residential community located in the Halifax Regional Municipality of Nova Scotia. Situated between Middle Sackville and Upper Sackville, the area takes its name from the lake that forms the center of the community. Springfield Lake has grown steadily over the years and is now home to several thousand residents living in a mix of established neighborhoods and newer developments. Its location provides convenient access to Halifax while maintaining a strong connection to nature and outdoor recreation. The area around Springfield Lake has been part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq people for thousands of years. Indigenous communities traveled through central Nova Scotia using a network of lakes, rivers, and forest trails that connected settlements throughout the region. The lakes and waterways provided food, transportation routes, and seasonal gathering places long before European settlement arrived. European settlement in the broader Sackville area began during the 18th century. Early settlers were attracted by fertile land, forests, and access to water. Farming, logging, and small-scale industry became important parts of the local economy. For many generations, the area remained largely rural, with scattered farms and homesteads connected by simple roads and trails. The lake itself remains one of the community's defining features. Springfield Lake is popular for swimming, paddling, fishing, and other recreational activities. During the warmer months, residents enjoy spending time along the shoreline and taking advantage of the natural setting. The lake contributes significantly to the character of the community and remains a focal point for outdoor recreation. Springfield Lake benefits from its location near several major transportation routes. Highway 101 and Highway 102 provide convenient access to Halifax, Dartmouth, Bedford, and Halifax Stanfield International Airport. This accessibility has contributed to continued residential growth and has made the community attractive to families and professionals. Housing in Springfield Lake consists primarily of detached, single-family homes, with some newer residential developments expanding the available housing stock. Average house prices generally range between $550,000 and $750,000, depending on the size, age, and location of the property. Homes with direct lake access or waterfront views often command higher prices. Today, Springfield Lake represents a blend of natural beauty, suburban growth, and community development. Its history reflects the broader transformation of the Sackville area from a rural landscape into one of Nova Scotia's most important residential regions. With its attractive waterfront setting, growing population, and access to modern amenities, Springfield Lake continues to be a desirable community within the Halifax Regional Municipality. watching!